Welcome friends, today we create together sweet potato crostini, toasted in the oven with rosemary, a flavorful appetizer, or an ideal base for tasty Italian toppings. Ingredients: 2 medium-sized sweet potatoes, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, garlic powder, optional, a bit of fresh rosemary for a truly Italian touch, and toppings of your choice: goat cheese, prosciutto, arugula, cherry tomatoes, ricotta, walnuts. Let's start the preparation. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees. Wash and dry the sweet potatoes, then cut them into slices about half a centimeter thick. There's no need to peel them. The skin adds flavor and nutrients. Arrange the slices in a single layer on a baking tray and sprinkle with a drizzle of oil, salt, pepper, and, if you like, garlic powder. Add the chopped rosemary to give that unmistakable Italian flavor. Bake and cook for about 20-25 minutes, or until the potatoes are tender and the edges are caramelized. Once cooked, you can garnish them with your favorite topping. Spread goat cheese and enrich with prosciutto and arugula. Or combine ricotta, cherry tomatoes, and walnuts for a creamy and crunchy blend. Remember to subscribe to our channel to not miss other delicious recipes like this. And visit our website for more appetizing material. In Italy, crostini are an icon of fast yet refined cooking. And with sweet potato, we elevate this tradition to a new culinary delight, maintaining the harmonious balance of flavors that everyone loves.